Hi, good day. My name is Ivy J. Queta from Tutulan, Dawis, Bohol of Philippines. I am 25 years old. I have 5 years old son and I am also a single mother. I am cheerful, positive, and energetic. I genuinely love kids. I'm also caring, responsible, and trustworthy. I have work experience as a house helper for more than 3 years. I serve 4 family members and took care of 6 months old baby. My duties and responsibilities was taking good care of baby, feedings, naps, changing diaper, age-appropriate play, and development activities. Preparing simple and healthy family dinners, maintain safe, clean, and engaging environment. I can do washing, sing, and dance. I can sing Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Madam and boss, if you choose me, I will dare do my best to touch them with respect and teach them how to love the world and also focus my duties and responsibilities. Thank you and God bless.